I need help.
Okay, good afternoon, it's the Crafty Nana here. We've set up some experiments, Tilly and I. She's researched them online. She has written out all the instructions on how to do each experiment, and got all the ingredients together that we need with all the materials. We've got aprons ready in case it gets messy, and with slime it's going to. We're going to make bouncing eggs, we're going to do baking soda experiments, we're going to grow crystals, we're going to make slime, so lots of projects. So pour the vinegar in with the eggies.
I already did it.
Good, well now we need to cover them, I think you'll find, so it's probably all going to have to, I think it's all going to have to go in. Wow, it's a good thing this is smell-o-vision because, wow, that's stinky stuff. Okay. What colour crystal would you like to grow? Let me show you an example of what a crystal looks like. This part here is what we're going to do. Now, it's made by taking one of these and making a swirl. You can use two as well if you want to. And then we're going to hook it and we're going to dangle it in here, and we're going to make a mixture of borax and hot water to put it in. Okay, and that's what you're going to make. You're making a spiral, a swirl, like a little donut with a hole in the middle. How are you doing it?
I'll show you what I'm making.
Right. Be tight.
This is going to be my crystal.
There you go, well done. Oh, perfect. So, take the piece of metal that's on the table, put it through the top of your twists. Right, so you put the wire through and you twist it like that, so it's hooked on. Okay, and then you're going to make the top end into hook as well. Then that will sit over your stick, just like that. For this one to work, we need some really hot water.
Why do they don't need to?
Because what happens when the crystals grow? They get bigger. And what happens when they grow if they're touching each other?
They'll grow together.
They grow together.
Okay,
so what we're going to do now is I'm going to go and get you some really, really hot water. You need to each take your crystal out first, because we're going to mix the mixture up. What colour are these crystals going to be, girls?
Mine's pink.
Well, no, the finished crystal. Do you want them to be purple like amethyst? Do you want them to be blue like sapphires? Do you want them pink like pink diamonds?
Blue. Purple.
So one of you should have the purple and one of you should have the blue.
This is the blue.
Okay. This is some little snackylets.
Snacky.
So what I want you to do is, I want you to mix, each of you in your jar, your magic potion. So we're going to put the borax. We're going to put quite a lot of borax. Could you each put a drip of your purple colour?
So one
you
drip?
Put a drip of your blue colour. Well, you don't need much. Get your drip in and then mix it with your stick. You've got to get all those crystals mixed into the water.
Like.
You wanted blue, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh.
They need all those crystals to make sure they're melting in. Oh, that's definitely purple, isn't it?
Dark purple.
Yeah. Is that dark enough?
Mine is
You want a
definitely
bit
dark.
more pink in it? Okay. So if you've got to get right down to the
Mine
bottom.
is melted.
Bottom is really important. You can hold it up to the light and you can sort of see if it still looks cloudy down there. Yours looks a little bit cloudy down there. Get right to the bottom. Right, so you want it completely in the liquid. We can't have it sticking out, so you might need to make it make your hook slightly longer. So yours is completely in. So now we can just move this away to the back of our table where it's not going to get nudged and spoilt. Okay, that should be perfect. The cat was out there when you went out today and had a cuddle with me. Right, put your stick across the top.
But this is not that's cloudy and different.
Oh, I think it'll be good to start. I think it should be alright. this on here. Now it's completely covered. So move these two both back here. We know which is which. We know the blue one's you and the purple one's you. Okay. Next thing is,
Slime.
you want to start on the slime?
Yeah, okay.
What colour are you going to have? The pink or the blue?
Blue. I'm going to have pink then.
Okay. Get a bowl each.
There's no houses in my school. But in Austin Heights there was. There was phoenix, tigers, dragons and lions. No, but I am the eagle. I could get away from the tiger. Landed a tiger. We played. The phoenix always won in my school. And which one were you? I was the tiger. The phoenix? No, I wasn't the phoenix. The phoenix was the team that always won in those games. Merlin is the one that always wins. Are you Merlin? Yes. So you just pour it all in? You pour all of this in? Yes. Here? Yes. And then you mix it. What the hell? Oh my god, that looks so luminous. It's cool.
Less swearing, please.
Okay. Now it's really hard to
It's
squeeze.
really luminous, isn't it? Oh my
Yes.
goodness. But I tell you what, do you need to really squeeze it through the thin bit? Why don't you just take the whole top off? You could do the same, darling. Just take the whole top off your glue.
And then you pour the activator.
Just unscrew it. It's the screw top.
What is that? They're balls for like decorations. You know how you can put like foam and stuff in slime, right? You can put balls in. And then there's glitter that came with the pack.
Ooh, green pustules in your...
It looks cool. Now I get glitter. You can pour all of the glitter in.
If you want to.
Pour all of the glitter.
Unless you think it's too much. You just need to swap a bit and you give half of pink and half of blue. Oh, well, too late now.
Now for the activator. Right?
Have you got a wooden stick? Or you got a wooden lolly stick? No, you haven't. Oh, yes, you got one. You got one. You're going to need one as well.
I put mine here. Did you put activator in? Not yet, but I'm going to do now. And then pour all of the activator in as well.
Oh my golly. Oh my golly gee.